digit, the schedule busy. My dad in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing.
Hey y'all, welcome back to the Chizzy channel. It's your girl Tia Zamara here, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you all how I get my long stiletto cow print press-on nails that I sell on www.frugal-finesse.com. But first I have to show you guys these beautiful polishes that I received from Nail Addict LA. 7 of them they sent to me as a gift, and then they ended up sending me 7 more to show you guys their new collection. And you guys, I am in awe. I cannot wait to actually use these colors with some of the press-on nail sets that I will be selling on Frugal Finesse. So first is this beautiful purple called Province. It's literally just like that perfect purple. The next, which you see me applying now, is Best of Summer. And I don't really know how to describe this shade, but it's literally like that perfect blend between purple and like fuchsia pink. It's like right there in between. Literally perfect. My favorite, not my favorite of all, but definitely one of my top 5 is this Lilac Madness shade. It's literally the perfect, like, just calm, gentle lavender purple color. I absolutely love it. Next is Freedom. You guys, this is like that. It almost gives me like jelly blue vibes, but like a dark jelly blue. I don't know. It's just literally that perfect navy blue. I think that this will go well with any kind of 4th of July look, or like just any kind of like midnight, you know, mystery, smoky girl kind of look. So this next row is going to be nothing but like nudes, and I love the nudes. So this shade here is Sandman. And I really think this is the absolute perfect mauve. The next shade is, what was that one? Iced Coffee. Now, you guys, I love me some iced coffee. Like, I love this shade. It's literally, again, the perfect nude. And I was just looking for the perfect nude. So I'm glad they sent this over for me to try, because I would definitely be purchasing this for Frugal Finesse. The next shade is Marble Pink. And this is like, again, I just love those real soft colors. Like, literally this whole row, I didn't even intend for it to like be like this, but it just ended up being like this with all of the nudes. And it's just so perfect. So this next shade is Sugar Margarita. The names are so cute, y'all. And this is kind of like on that more like, you know, that iced coffee, but with extra creamer, if you get what I mean. Now, the next shade is actually Temptation. And this is more so like, you know, on the pink side, like that real light, playful, summery spring kind of pink. And I definitely see myself making use out of this as well, even alongside the Lilac Madness. So that is how the purples look, right, you know, fresh out the press, out of the UV lamp. Absolutely love it. Now let's move into some reds. This first shade is called Teaser, and she's definitely a teaser because I was not expecting this super fun, playful red to come out of that bottle. That's why it's important to do swatches or watch swatch videos. Next, we have Take a Sip, and this one, she's not meant to be played with. This is that grown woman red. This is that, Take a Sip is that grown woman, okay? Now, for the final red, we have Electric Red, and this one is actually really fun. It's like somewhere between a hot pink and a red. I actually used it to make my Skrilla set, so y'all will see exactly how I used it in a future video. This one right here is called Forest Mural, and y'all, like, this is just literally just a true green with lots of different size sparkles in it, which just makes it like just so enchanting. And then finally we have Seafoam, and y'all, this I don't know what could have described this color like more perfectly. Seafoam was literally the perfect name. It's like not green but not blue. It's not minty, but it is fresh. Like, it's, y'all, this is top 2. That's top 2 right there. So all of the colors that you see here are just fresh out of the UV lamp, y'all. I didn't put any top coat on it. Like, look, they're giving. There's nothing else to say. The link is in the description box below for you to shop with Nail Addict LA and save some coins by using my discount code. All of that is in the description box below. Make sure you check them out, and let's get into today's video. I will also be using Nail Addict LA's some other colors to make my moolah set the best seller on Frugal Finesse in today's video. I'm going to be making the long stiletto cow print nails in today's video. So let's get into it. Well, first of all, let me say this. I'm not going to be talking this whole time, so don't think I'm going to get on y'all nerves, okay? Y'all going to hear some of my good old music that I normally play, okay? But this is going to be a time lapse, so I'm going to try to, like, get majority of the stuff that I want to say out of the way so that you guys can enjoy the music. And then when I get to the more technical stuff, I'll come back and, you know, share with you guys. But let me know if you like time lapse down in the comment section below so I can know whether or not to keep doing them. And if you do or don't or whatever, you still want to see something different, let me know if you want to see, like, a more tutorial step through, you know, kind of video on like how I make some of these press-on nail sets. So basically what I'm getting ready to do is just shape all of these nails because they start off at like a very, you know, just not cute almond shaped. And so I'm going to get them to the nice sharp stiletto shape that I love. And I'm just using a Kiss nail file to do so. Let me know if y'all know of any other nail files that are like, you know, really good. But yeah, I'm going to get it to a perfect shape. Then I'm going to buff the nails. And I only buff the nails because I heard somewhere along the way that if you skip that step, then the polish will just peel right off. And I like my nail sets to have, you know, I want my nail sets to have the longest wear time possible. So, you know, we don't skip any steps over here. After that, I'm just going to apply the C-swing and, Sweet C's. It's really a tongue twister. The C Swing and Sunshade from Nail Addict LA as the base. And then I will come back to tell you guys how we're going to get this French tip cow print moolah nail set.
The schedule busy, my head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie, my cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Texas. But for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she had it done, so she got a Mercedes. Them money records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The form is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these, they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they betray me.
Tell them I clothes no starch, please. Soon as I you won't leave. Got M's in the back like yes, indeed. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I clothes no starch, please. Soon as I you won't leave. Got M's in the back like yes, indeed. Cartier glasses, I won't even peek at you. Yellow Ferrari like Pikachu. I got no waiting and watching what he gon' do. Tryna feel what I do, tryna steal my moves. 500 for a blue pair tennis shoe. The same price I can make the rest, I'ma finish you. But they been charged, he'll do it like it's voodoo. Real dope, 100,000 in the Visa. President's attention, I lie, we don't see you. I been getting money, I ain't worried about what he do. Getting money, I come from the age. Men Dre out the top, and they go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a street, but I'm far from the pavement. A million, 100, they make them go crazy. Wham, look, baby, brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I clothes no starch, please. Soon as I you won't leave. Got M's in the back like yes, indeed. And my dog off the way. When you're living like this, they support the hand. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them I clothes no starch, please.
Back in the mail, it's gone. Shit, I got smell cologne. Yeah, I just signed the deal, I'm on. Yeah. I do what I want, good. Play if you want the store. I'm a young CEO, sure. Yeah. The first nigga play on my body, a nigga. I just check my balance, I probably pull up to your hood to come buy me a nigga. You know what you told you that nigga crazy, don't think she lie to you, nigga. We hit these out with your hoe and I'm popping the boat. Now they hot just like Bobby and Whitney. Say I'm the dope, act like I don't know. But fuck it, I'm obviously winning. Don't make me go eat the bank. Take out 100 to show you my pockets are different. I'm out with your bitch and I only want knowledge. She got a little mileage, I'm chillin'. You disrespect me and I beat you. I step all in front of your partners and children. alone. Yeah, I just signed a deal, I'm on. Yeah, I do what I want, good. Play if you want, let's do it.
All right, so now on to the fun part. I am going to be using the White Addict nail polish from Nail Addict LA to cover 3/4 of the nails so that I can make my French tip. This is the easiest way that I found to get my French tip. At first, I was trying to like go in and, you know, do the whole U shape the proper way, and I tried to go in and do the whole V cut, then add the little moon shape in the middle, if I'm describing that well. And I can do that, but it just takes way too long. And I don't know if you guys know yet, but I sell 18-piece press-on nail sets, and that's just too much to do for 18 nails. So this allows me to move a lot faster. I can just go in and cover 3/4 of the nail and then go back and clean it up. Now I'm going to show you guys in like a few more clips, just a few seconds away, that at first I was doing it with a brush that I got from Amazon, which worked very well for like, I want to say at least like 3 weeks. It was a Kolinsky brush, which I heard was the best in the game. But I guess like that little metal tip that holds the hairs in place kind of just got loose or something. But as you see, like it pushes in and out and it's just not good anymore. So I purchased another brush from Amazon, and I also have a really cheap makeup brush, and I'm going to see which one works better. So to clean it up, I just use acetone. And I started with the first brush that I'll link below that I got from Amazon. This one was cool. It was very small. I loved the handle on the brush because I had like way more control over it. But because the brush was like real small, I felt like I couldn't get as clean of a like, you know, swoop-de-doop when doing it. So I decided to end up sticking with the concealer brush that was literally $1 from shopmissa.com. I've had this brush for so long and I've just never done anything with it. So this is gonna be the new French tip brush. I do still love the brush that I got from Amazon though for the handle. So if I find that they sell it in bigger sizes, then I'll definitely, you know, go back and get some more. But from this point forward, it's literally easy. You know, do your little moon shape, swoop-de-doop. If you mess up, thankfully you did not cure anything yet. So you can, you know, go in and, you know, paint some polish back over it and then clean it back up, which is what you see me doing right now. And then for the cow print, y'all, this is literally the easiest design that I have. Like, seriously, the easiest, because you do not have to be precise with anything except for the French tip. Like, it's just literally scribbles and scrabbles all over the nails, and you bring it together with a few little dots. Literally that easy. So I'm going to shut back up and let you guys watch the rest of the video. The pink that I use to get the cow print is called Electric Bliss. Wait, is it called Electric Bliss? No, it's called Bliss Pink. Bliss Pink from Nail Addict. And that's what you see me doing right here, you guys. So I'm gonna let y'all enjoy the rest of the video. I used Valentino's top coat to seal the deal. And you guys will see me package it up and get ready to ship it out. So yeah, if you're interested in purchasing from frugal-finesse.com, the link for that will be in the bio below. If you can't, please still show your support by following us on Instagram at frugalfinesse_ and on TikTok. All of the information will be in the description box below. And yeah, cue the music.
From the day I saw you, I really want to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like you. There's not a lot of guys that worth my time. Oh, baby, it's getting kind of crazy. You sure are taking over my mind, and it feels like, ooh, you don't know my name. I swear, it feels like, my mansion. You want the man so good, and you never know how good it feels to have all of my affection. And you'll never get a chance to experience my loving, 'cause my loving feels like ooh. You don't know my name, and I swear it feels like ooh. You don't know my name. Will you ever know it? No, 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 no. No, no. Will you ever know it? Yeah, I'm ball in a life, man. Go on with it, but go on with it. Yeah, easy. Are you getting me? Course, yeah. So we are coming with a force, yeah. Blessings we are reap and we coursing on. Oh, in a rise and boast. Yeah, we give thanks like we need it the most. We have to give thanks like we really supposed to. Thankful. Blessings all for my life, man. We thank God for the journey, the earnings, and thanks for the plus. Yeah. Gratitude is a must. Yeah. So blessings fall by my right hand. 'Cause I do us with the friends that take off with me road. Man, time did sit down in a class and we both then only set the road and we go on with the road. Third one, me say me try a thing, and you know it's bound up to be a fire thing. Now up on stage with chronic say I sing, yeah. See me all diggy soon, get the higher ring like hello brother. You say I just shot ya, saw your poster, spectacular photo. Keep it burning, yes, that's the motto. If you need a butter, pass through your soul. Yeah, I'm all in a life, man. Me have to thank.
All right, you guys, so at this point I'm just packaging the nails up. I use double-sided tape to do so. Anything that I can't fit laid across in this box, I put in a small plastic bag, and I always wipe the nails down with an alcohol wipe before I close everything up. And I did want to end this video off showing you guys a small business hack because it was extremely important to me to like keep everything as branded as possible. And I felt like custom tissue paper would definitely add that extra pop for me. But custom tissue paper was way too much. So William actually ended up telling me about this hack where I would basically be able to just stamp my own tissue paper. And so that's what I did. And that's what I wanted to share with you guys just in case anybody didn't know about this, because after I found out about this, I found out how popular it really was. But yeah, so basically I just ordered this stamp off of Amazon, and I also ordered a pink ink pad, and this really did add the extra touch that I was looking for to my packaging. So if you're interested in shopping with me at all, the link will be in the description box down below. If you want to continue seeing videos like this, make sure that you like and comment, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.
Baby, 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 from the day I saw you, I really, really want to catch your eye. There's something special about you, and I must really like